All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about faces, edges, and vertices.
I'm back.
Johnny's here to help a little bit. The first one is a cube. So the face of a shape is like the flat part. So this is the face. So, but we have to think like if we were to hold it, how many faces would it have? So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then the edges are these sides right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. And for every edge, you're going to have a vertice, which is this part right here, the corner. So there's 12 there. Okay. So the next one, we have a cylinder. And there's only going to be 2 faces. There's a face here and then one on the bottom. And then edges, there's no edges and no vertices because it's a circle. So the same thing with a sphere, there's going to be 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. Okay. On the cylinder, the cone, if it goes around like this, there's going to be a face right here. So 1 face, but there's no edges and there's no vertices. The rectangular prism is going to have the same amount of faces and everything else as the cube. So we're going to have 6, 12, and 12. And the last one is the triangular prism. It's going to have, let's color our faces here so that we can see them. 1, and then there's going to be another one like that here. So 2, 3, 4, and then one on the back, 5.
To make it easier to draw it, you probably should think just an upside down triangle and then 2 rectangles on the side.
Yeah. Well, this one's a triangular prism. It's a little bit different. So it's 5, 10, and 10. And if you notice, this is doubles, right? So whatever amount of faces it has, you're going to double that for the edges and the vertices. Okay. On the last side, Johnny's going to help us with the first 3 of our subtraction problems.
You guys know this one.
10 friends.
Yep, it's 7. Not 10 friends. If you add, it would be 10 friends. But this is minus, which equals 6. And then, I bet you guys know that one. It's 7.
We know it from yesterday.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Johnny, for your help.
Uh-huh.
Good job, boys and girls.
Bye.